Hey, Jason Journeyman here, out on a hike, and today I want to tell you about Leave No Trace. It means you stay on the official designated trail, not one of these side trails where you're going to trample all the baby planties. It means you don't leave trash on the trail. Like seriously, WTF. It means maybe you don't do this to your campsite. It means look at the pretty flowers, don't pick them because we want them to make seeds and grow back every year. It means you put out your fire before you leave the campsite. It means you pick up after your dog's poop. Leave no trace also means you can take it a step further and leave it better than you found it. I pick up trash after stupid people who leave it on trails, and I like to use these little doggy poo-poo bags to do it. When it comes to social media, Leave No Trace takes on a whole new light. So you have to think about your digital footprint, not just your footprint you leave on the ground. What if you tag a location of that really cool view, that really cool waterfall, and you tag the actual waterfall, and then it brings lots of people there who don't know Leave No Trace and leave a lot of traces, and they leave trash and they trample plants. So maybe instead of tagging that waterfall, you tag the park itself or the visitor center. And that way people have to do a little bit of research to find the waterfall. They have to call maybe and talk to a ranger, and they learn some Leave No Trace principles along the way so that that view, that waterfall, is protected for everyone in the future. And we gotta talk about Leave No Trace in the age of coronavirus. If you get to a trailhead and it's really packed, go to another trailhead. And when you're on the trail, make sure you keep a 6-foot distance. We don't want to just leave no trace on the earth and nature. We need to leave no trace with other people all around us. So when you do see people on the trail, wear a mask. Leave no trace to me is not just some sort of temporary thing that you put on like a hat. You don't just practice it when you're camping or hiking or in the outdoors and I'm gonna leave no trace now. No, you're doing it in every part of your life. You wanna leave it better than you found it. That has to do with your job or schoolwork or personal relationships and friendships and family. You wanna improve upon that relationship every time. Every time you interact, every time you go to work, every time you do your homework. You do a little bit better, you learn more, there's more love, more joy. So the more that you practice Leave No Trace outside, the more it becomes a practice in your daily life. And I encourage you to start practicing that in every aspect of your life. And I swear, you will reap the benefits and you'll love it. Don't be trashy.